Think you need money to make money? Think again. Most people believe that you need capital to start making money. But the truth is, you already have valuable assets that can generate income for you. In this video, I will show you 3 powerful assets you can leverage today to start making money, even if you have zero cash in your bank account. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Like this video if you are ready to build wealth from scratch. Subscribe for weekly money making strategies. Comment below which of these assets do you already have. Let's discuss. Now let's get started. Asset number 1, skills, your biggest wealth generator. What are you good at? Your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, public speaking, coding, or problem solving, are money making tools waiting to be used. How to turn your skills into money? Number 1, freelancing. Offer services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Number 2, consulting/coaching. If you're an expert in something, people will pay for your advice. Number 3, teaching and tutorial. Share your skills through online courses, webinars, or private lessons. Example, if you are great at social media, businesses will pay you to manage their account and grow their online presence. Pro tip, even if you think you don't have a skill, you can learn one for free on platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Google Digital Skill. Asset number 2, knowledge. Turn what you know into wealth. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to know something valuable that others don't. Here are ways to monetize your knowledge. 1. Write an ebook. Package your expertise and sell it on Amazon or Seller. 2. Create an online course. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Seller to share what you know. 3. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Teach people what you know and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. For example, if you know how to budget more effectively, you can create a budgeting course and sell it to people who struggle with managing their finances. If you need help with budgeting, you can grab my course on Seller. Links in the description and comment sections. Pro tip, the more you share your knowledge, the more you position yourself as an expert and attract paying opportunities. Asset number 3, time, your most undervalued resource. Time is money, literally. The difference between rich and broke people is how they use their time. Here are ways to leverage your time for income. 1. Side hustles. Use your free time to start a service-based business or online gig. 2. Invest time in learning. The more you learn, the more opportunities you can access. 3. Networking. Connect with mentors, potential clients, and business partners. For example, instead of scrolling on social media for hours, use that time to build an audience and monetize your content. Pro tip, track how you spend your time daily. If 80% of your time is used productively, your income will increase over time. To recap, you don't need money to make money. You just need to leverage these 3 assets. 1. Skills. Offer services, freelance, or coach others. 2. Knowledge. Create digital products, teach or monetize content. 3. Time. Use your free hours wisely to learn, grow, and build wealth. Which of these assets do you have right now? Drop a comment below. Want to learn more about wealth building? Grab my book, Rich, Young, and African. Links available in the comment and description. Join our exclusive WhatsApp community. Connect with like-minded individuals on your journey to financial success. Link also available in the descriptions and comment section. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, start building wealth with what you already have.